A notary public, or notary or public notary, in the common law world is a public officer constituted by law to serve the public in non-contentious matters usually concerned with estates, deeds, powers of attorney, and foreign and international business. A notary's main functions are to administer oaths and affirmations, take affidavits and statutory declarations, witness and authenticate the execution of certain classes of documents, take acknowledgments of deeds and other conveyances, protest notes and bills of exchange, provide notice of foreign drafts, prepare marine or ships protests in cases of damage, provide exemplifications and notarial copies, and perform certain other official acts depending on the jurisdiction. The primary tools a notary uses is an official logbook and the notary accepted and sworn in as a notary public. The notary can purchase a special stamp that has their name, the date of their license expiration and the state in which they are licensed, as items can have different appearances, but all do basically the same. Logbook memorializes the date, name and address and identification number of the individual whose signature the notary is stamp, while not replacing the original signature of the notary, is a seal of authenticity of sorts. Notaries are commonly found in law firms, title companies and financial institutions, banks and credit unions. This is because the bulk of the need for a notary is generated by these types of businesses. In general, employees of these businesses will become a notary in addition to their actual job within the company. For example, many legal secretaries and paralegals become notaries as a convenience to their firm. When providing an affidavit, verification, or any similar sworn document to the court, it is generally necessary to procure a notary stamp to indicate that you are, in fact, who you say you are on the document. Contracts often require a notary for the same reason. Wills, trusts, power of attorney documents and contracts all require a notary stamp in many states. Title companies have notaries attend signings for the purchase of real estate, because state laws generally dictate that the purchaser's signatures must be notarized. Essentially, they trust a notary public to verify by looking at the person's original identification that they are who they say they are. Financial institutions use notaries for loan signings, and other projects where monies or property are exchanged. Their notary services generally can be used by customers of the financial institution, if a notarized signature is needed for a purpose other than with that financial institution, for a small fee. Generally you will find listings for notaries in your local yellow pages. Some notaries are freelance, and do their work on their own rather than in conjunction with their employers. Some even travel to you depending on their schedule and your